So what's up, guys? So today we have this PS5 that a customer shipped to us, and it's coming from Atlanta, Georgia. The customer saw a YouTube video of the same repair we did, and they decided to go with us. And we're gonna open it up and see what's up. Now that we have the PS5 all disassembled, the real issue was that the fan connector, we see right there the tip, it broke off from the board, and it took along the pads with it. So we're gonna have to rebuild the traces under the scope, reconnect the fan connector back to the board, and make sure it's a working fan. So let's get to it. Trace I could take the line off of, and we see if there's a little bit, this whole pad right here ripped off. These two pads here are still good, and we're gonna have to take the little trace that's still left, and we're gonna get the connection off of that. Put in a little flux on the trace I just scraped off, and we're gonna put a little bit of jumper wire and a little bit of solder, and hopefully make a new connection. And this is the new jumper wire that we're building off this. These two, which are still left, I'm gonna just make a new line. Not reliable anymore. You see how like it's kind of bent here. It's like flimsy. Now we rebuilt these three traces, 1, 2, and 3. These are the anchor points. They're also ripped off. We're gonna go ahead and rebuild that too. Right now I'm scraping away the border now for the anchor points. We're gonna make a new anchor point, and hopefully it'll hold the fan connector in place. We're gonna anchor the fan back in. We're gonna start on the right side. Then we're gonna do the left side. Perfect. I'm gonna give it a wiggle test to pick up the board with just the fan connector. Solid connection. I'm gonna do the traces now, just 3 of them. We're gonna take these jumper wires, solder them to each pin. Alright, we're done with the traces and the connector is back on. We're gonna clean up the flux and we're gonna get it back in the PS. Since we took the whole board out, we're gonna do a full cleaning. As you can see here, a lot of dust within the power supply. And we're gonna redo the liquid metal. We're gonna start assembling back the PS5. We're gonna make sure to test the fan to make sure it works before putting everything back together. Fan is working, and we're going to put the whole PS5 back together. That's it for this repair. The fan is fixed, the PS5 is working. If you guys have anything you want to send in, definitely do so. I'm sure this customer is going to be happy. We're going to ship it back to them, and that concludes the video.